Middle ground, finding commonality in differences. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase, middle ground. This phrase is commonly used in conversations and negotiations. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. Middle ground refers to a point of agreement or compromise between two extreme positions. It's like finding a balance where both parties can agree, even if it's not their first choice. Imagine you and your friend can't decide between pizza and sushi for dinner. The middle ground might be choosing a place that serves both. The term middle ground has been around for centuries. It originated from a physical concept, the middle point of a piece of land or space. Over time, it evolved into a metaphorical term in language, representing a compromise in ideas, opinions, or decisions. Let's see how to use middle ground in sentences. After hours of discussion, we finally found a middle ground and agreed on the project's budget. In politics, finding a middle ground is essential for bipartisan cooperation. Understanding and seeking a middle ground is crucial in effective communication. It helps in resolving conflicts, making decisions, and maintaining healthy relationships, both personally and professionally. That's all about middle ground. Remember, it's all about finding that balance and agreement in differing opinions. We hope this video has been insightful and will help you in your English language journey. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.